Have you ever felt that surge of excitement after acquiring some crypto on an exchange like Gemini, only to realize it's sitting there, relatively dormant, and not truly yours in the decentralized sense? You want to explore the exciting world of DeFi, interact with dApps, or simply have full custody of your digital assets, but they're stuck on an exchange. That's a common feeling, and it's precisely where a self-custodial wallet like MetaMask comes into play. Imagine this: you've bought some Ethereum, or maybe a cool altcoin, on Gemini. You're eager to use it for something beyond just holding it. Perhaps you want to stake it, participate in a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, or buy an NFT. But to do any of that, you need to move it off the centralized exchange and into a wallet that gives you complete control over your private keys. That's the core of self-custody. You hold the keys, you control the crypto. This is where the seamless, yet often misunderstood, process of transferring crypto from Gemini to MetaMask becomes crucial. It's a fundamental step for anyone looking to truly immerse themselves in the decentralized web. While exchanges offer convenience for buying and selling, they essentially hold your crypto on your behalf. MetaMask, on the other hand, acts as your personal gateway to the Ethereum blockchain and a myriad of other compatible networks, putting the power directly in your hands. This isn't just about moving numbers from one screen to another, it's about reclaiming ownership, expanding your crypto possibilities, and stepping into the true spirit of decentralization. So, if you've been wondering how to bridge the gap between your Gemini holdings and the expansive world of decentralized finance and Web3, you're in the right place. We're going to break down every single step, making it as clear and straightforward as possible, so you can confidently move your crypto and unlock its full potential. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage with some essential prerequisites and considerations. This isn't a race, it's a careful transfer of valuable digital assets. First, you need to have a MetaMask wallet set up. If you don't already have one, pause this video, go to MetaMask.io, download the official extension for your browser. Chrome, Firefox, Brave, or Edge are all supported, or the mobile app for iOS or Android. Follow their instructions carefully to create your wallet, establish a strong password, and, most importantly, securely back up your secret recovery phrase. Seriously, write it down, store it offline in multiple secure locations, and never, ever share it with anyone. That phrase is the master key to your funds. Lose it, and your crypto is gone forever. This is the absolute golden rule of self-custody. Second, ensure you have sufficient funds in your Gemini account. This might seem obvious, but it's worth stating. You can only transfer what you have. Third, and this is critical, understand the concept of network fees, often called gas fees on the Ethereum network. When you transfer crypto on a blockchain, you're not just moving data, you're paying miners or validators to process and secure your transaction. These fees are dynamic and can fluctuate based on network congestion. Gemini charges a dynamic withdrawal fee designed to cover these network fees. It's not a fee Gemini pockets, it's what's required to get your transaction processed on the blockchain. You'll see this fee displayed before you confirm your withdrawal. Make sure you have enough of the native blockchain token, e.g., ETH for Ethereum network transfers, in your Gemini account to cover both the amount you want to send and the associated gas fee. Finally, always double-check the cryptocurrency you're transferring and the network it operates on. MetaMask, while primarily known for Ethereum, supports multiple EVM-compatible networks like Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, and others. However, you must ensure that the network you're sending from on Gemini matches the network you're receiving on MetaMask. Sending Ethereum, an ERC20 token, to a Bitcoin address, for example, will result in permanent loss of funds. We'll be focusing on transferring ERC20 tokens, like ETH, USDC, DAI, etc., from Gemini to MetaMask on the Ethereum mainnet, which is the most common use case. Alright, with those crucial points covered, let's get into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Log into your Gemini account. Open your web browser and navigate to Gemini.com. Log in using your credentials. If you have two-factor authentication, 2FA, enabled, which you absolutely should, you'll need to input that code as well. Security is paramount in crypto, and 2FA adds an extra layer of protection. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard, which displays your portfolio and various options. Step 2. Initiate a withdrawal on Gemini. Look for the transfer or withdraw option. On Gemini, this is usually found by hovering over the transfer tab in the top navigation bar. From the drop-down menu, select Withdraw from Gemini. This will take you to a page where you can choose which cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Select the cryptocurrency you intend to transfer to MetaMask. For most users, this will be Ethereum, ETH, or an ERC20 token like USDC or DAI. It's crucial to select the correct asset. Step 3. Enter your MetaMask wallet address. This is perhaps the most critical step, requiring utmost precision. A single wrong character in the address can send your funds to an irretrievable black hole on the blockchain. Now, open your MetaMask wallet extension in your browser. If it's locked, unlock it with your password. On the main MetaMask interface, you'll see your account address prominently displayed under your account name. It typically starts with 0x followed by a string of alphanumeric characters. Click on this address. A small pop-up will usually confirm copied or a similar message. This action copies your public wallet address to your clipboard. Go back to your Gemini withdrawal page. In the recipient address or the field, paste the MetaMask address you just copied. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Paste or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V, Windows, or CMD+V, Mac. Crucial double-check. After pasting, always double-check the address. Compare the first few characters, e.g., the first 4 to 5, and the last few characters, e.g., the last 4 to 5, of the pasted address on Gemini with the actual address displayed in your MetaMask wallet. A common scam involves malware that swaps your copied address with a hacker's address on your clipboard. This quick visual check can save you from a devastating loss. Some people even like to triple-check or send a small test transaction first, especially for larger amounts. Step 4. Specify the amount to withdraw. In the Amount field on Gemini, enter the quantity of cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits set by Gemini. These minimums are usually quite small, but they exist. As you enter the amount, Gemini will typically display the estimated network fee, gas fee, and the total amount that will be debited from your account. Review these figures carefully. The amount you'll receive will be the amount you entered minus the network fee. Step 5. Review and confirm the withdrawal. Before you finalize the transfer, Gemini will present you with a summary of your withdrawal. This summary will include. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.